Growing up, I vowed to never marry, to never have a dog, and I especially vowed never to have a child. Don't ask me why. I'm the first to admit I was a weird kid. Well, in 2016, I married Dustin. In 21, we adopted Arvy. And we loved her so much that in 22, we adopted Hitch. Somewhere along the way, Dustin and I decided to give this kid thing a try, but it just never happened for us. And we were okay with that. We decided to be happy with what we had. After all, what we had was really, really good. You can imagine my shock when just 2 days before Christmas, I learned that I'd be breaking that final resolution, when a faint little extra line appeared, and I've been in shock ever since. So get ready, world. In early September, we'll be adding to our crew. The jury is still out on if we're getting a new RV technician or an office manager. But either way, we're excited and terrified all at the same time. And as for me, I'm just going to quit making promises because I obviously can't keep them.
Oh, I'm glad.
Thank you very much.
Well, somebody must have told me that.